Tom 72 Sedan DeVille. Getting ready to take the motor out. Alright, so this thing has been rebuilt in the past, but it smokes. It's got 2 weak cylinders. It's always smoked since rebuild. We're going to go through it. We're going to rebuild it. It's not even painted the right color. So away we go. Teardown's coming along. Noticed this lovely replacement dipstick. That's gonna go bye-bye. Definitely, that's gonna go bye-bye. Plug wires zip tied together. That's a no-no. Gonna undo that. Wiring here, get the coil out of there, get the carb out of there. And then we'll get the compressor and the rest of the accessories out. Carburetor's pulled. Notice that our choke linkage here, the arm's broken, so we get to hunt one of those. Really would have liked to seen maybe a better gasket here. Insulator for sure, especially here in the desert. So we gotta deal with that. I'm gonna undo the vacuum line here to the booster. Then I can go drain the carb, which you can see has been leaking at the seal, been leaking at the secondary shaft. Definitely gonna need a rebuild. So got that going on. Got all our vacuum lines loose here. Our coil's gonna come out of here next. Coil out, get this compressor out of here, and then work on the rest of our accessories. Not bad for a few hours of work. All of our accessories are off. All of our brackets are off. Next time I'm here, fuel pump, motor mounts, trans, done deal.